And right, yeah, I'm no big na Kai Havertz asem.
Go no share na.
And you go no share no.
One hour day.
Training no more so hwie, okobo ball or share go. Sana etie. He will need time. The same applies to Chelsea.
Nicholas Jackson.
I didn't rough na am oye yenesano.
Christopher Nkunku.
Players na Chelsea won in na no. Bako kure ni wa new players. Bako kure ni wa about a competitive game for Chelsea da.
Angelo Gabriel.
A pre-season.
Chelsea nkwa winning ball.
You can only see signs of positivity. As a kawa and tranko bibia. The one no a signs. Bro need to me kind of say glimpses. And no keke a kaho and kone nimun tra bibia. Yes remo. Mema mo mambe starting na Chelsea team na ye ne. Munjai sa.
Ati me come on tomorrow.
Yes. Misrel.
Matima edi.
Misrel pi.
Oh,
Chelsea team no. Ubisa Pochettino nanga they are far off from where they want to get to.
You can't tell me what to do.
They are far off from beyond person. And even say Chelsea nyan the full starting 11 na. Me sure say kwada we bebre na omunya kwan kran rem.
Oh, team.
So munya botre na mama coach no onye na dwuma opeso ye. Allow them. Mema mumba be na Chelsea ayi. Mr. Chelsea nyan. Chelsea be year 2 seasons 3 seasons asem and even Munjaisa Munjaisa you forget the level of competition in Europe, the level of competition in England.
Competition in
benchmark
Man City
exactly and to boy we go to Man City Chelsea team
Nkunku and he just covered you. Hey
me say benchmark no benchmark unim Man City ntina mpeni forecast em say e wo se bra na bekum osono a on pepre on kusie ho nkonkopra so mo relax endru bebia
o me na individual
endru Man U ne we mu kra level kra na for Man City
Man U ever
Man U
ya he Man U e is man to win
na Man U enim say Chelsea
o ende me ya we
aye stages
azamu ne de na agu FC mu da ho
we mu na ye 12 enye kra ohu ne ho ano munya botre yenye ndru bebia mate ndru bebia
o the best support to Chelsea
CCA there o the best support to Chelsea ne there nya botre men di banku bio
o the family mu kakra there
Mbappe operation no na ye de sha se now Abu there was that address Nasser Khalifi de ma PSG omo team no and Monsanto reiterating in the comments said there is no bigger personality in the PSG team than the entity PSG. Once again, he made his intentions clear. Now, Kasano Kai no do run gidi say kasentrie bi wom. The Mbappe operation take a political twist and an angle. Oko Spain na Nyankopon ya adoma kwesiada. Omo elections, e elected a prime minister. Pedro Sanchez netisu CCA or the Pedro Sanchez picture netisu aobehuno. Now Pedro Sanchez, there is someone competing him on we ababeye the front runner. Ono ena edi PP party nenim ye feno Alberto Nunes Fegio. Now ora Fegio akodi nkomo ewo AS. Now nkomo twetwe no centered on sport. Once again, a politician using sports to perhaps canvass votes or win some kind of support. Ni na say okocheche mu ne nim de was sports mu ne but the opeso oyema the sporting fraternity in Spain if omoto Obama no as omo new prime minister. Na nkomotwetwe na kopie mu say the pursuit of Mbappe from Real Madrid. Na boy na was oba na say ni so oba. No dey nsem bebrea tuja. The length and breadth of it and say Mbappe needs to come to Real Madrid.
How?
Ohumbe hiya se Madrid benya player no one Madrid ni a club ebema player no are realizing the ambition of winning top individual awards and Ballon d'Or kan ho ubenya FIFA best player ni ade. 2 Mbappe wants to achieve the ultimate diadem in Europe, which is the Champions League. Oba Madrid na akonya no wo homa na so betime nya saade en manabroso. So Madrid no to a larger extent at the value be kan Mbappe ne ho a baby o wona ntimi fam mo ano. Inti ehu behia se Mbappe ebeba enemenim ya na no na yekotie mu no the financial implications of Mbappe so obeko free from PSG. Deti Nasser Khalifa here the obey ni na Abu, they stand to lose 575 million euros. Sika PSG ebeshre. If Mbappe goes for free, 575 million euros, we to for nothing at all. Or renew the contract, no, a man 100 million bonus, euro, 100 million euro bonus as a signing on fee. And a man is a contract, no, a mobile man 70 million euros gross for every season or be renew. Waje 70, this season or be 70, Okabuma is 140,
yes.
Faka 100 no, 240.
Yeah.
Omo emano a loyalty bonus a progressive. The first year, which was last season, or a loyalty bonus of 70 million euros. Ebe Pejako 80 million euros for this season.
Wow.
Okabo Mweno say saying a 150 plus 240 saying a year call 390.
Hey.
Then PSG Nanka Sasono or Mutu Medio Medino. In their financial books, or more edeka 175 million euros. Okabo 190 we know saying 575. So the Mbappe operation no is not really helping. If they are selling now, it will cover up for some of the losses in the 175. For the actually so 150. At 175, so the say just 25 million
yes.
to account for. And then some more the CCA the loyalty bonus no July 31. After that, omutia 40 the amano. It means out of the 80 now committee and they would pay just 40 to Mbappe. Tina Nasa Kalafi ni abrese Mbappe by July 31. Omoma onti omonka. No omunhu ni decision na ono so person take it. So things are not really going according to plan for Paris Saint-Germain. But Madrid no akwesa no maybe a wetu akogina eduaso. And all born in Shem and all share the ecoso. Madrid are still looking out. They don't want to act and make the first move. So a pure game of chess. The one who will blink first and I will be lose privileges and incentives be brave. Indeed, Madrid wants to be the beneficiary and PSG looks like they are in a haste to get something done for them. And that is the situation concerning Mbappe. Now Mbappe, now a movie to Barcelona. They are also planning their project. Manu Science.
Abu Mbappe.
Debbie. Amon Kong. The patch of Amon Kong. Omo ISA Srewano. Omo Show Mohono Mine or Mubu. Basa Entuana Mon Mbappe Hunkoye Bibi.
Yabeshime Kakra.
Are they?
Now these guys also pay Gao Kawa.
Dream big. When you dream big. And Basa have always wooed darlings of a year footballers. Romario, Ronaldo, Ronaldinho, Rivaldo, Barca, any star players, and you're Nasem. And then BBIS.
I also last time now catch every boy if you know on any again and I'm not going to pack it. Also, car and air cabe. Now, or pack a qualify or fair girl again a castle later. But there is a reverse with Timmy. Don't make that mistake. There's an angle to it. Yeah. Your baby or what? Pay my man attention. I bet me a young guy be. I bet me a young guy be. Young guy be a. Sebi oniska. But they be on ma ne tumi ene de. Or cut out or shatter de cry. Madam, what are they for kama? Oni tunu. Me can't cry your look. Me who baby and baby Jesse. Tie me a hot dear, but me can't the actual. Oh, what happened in a musical field in Ghana? Vodafone, the boy I don't want to go into. Yeah. Me see a CR top lady. Bema Bibi, any could do me come on. Although the agra are calling this animal or fire no simple cry. Is it that is even about Sula we use? Me can't say that.
Manu Science Akasa Diafa the Joao Felix experience. Manu Science, you know, or in some training or Jumama AS or Sansu Jumama El Chiringuito, Sa TV station. No. He deals with most exclusives from the camp of Barca. And I'll say the Barca operation for Joao Felix, it looks all but complete. The Omoya, the structure, the formation. Formation here, there. Omobedi loan first, Ombetia loan fee. Then they will add certain promises. are add-ons in terms of performance related. Then Omobesa also agree a fee on Atletico, which falls within the region of the 70 million euro minimum na Atletico for Oshisheno. So Barca are preparing the finances. Although say on paper it looks good, in reality I was so mutumi sacrifice players be kakra na etumi ebem. Intimanu signs and sema or the ababetuja. But it looks like happenings around the deal means this is very close. One, Joao Felix and the agent here, Jorge Mendes. Jorge Mendes has promised Atletico Madrid a player. He wants to move. Joao Felix was an attacker. Then he names Obey goals. One player was Benfica, Vincent Gonzalo Ramos. Benfica hono or a release clause and a buyout clause of 140 million euros. But ye team what they attract clubs from Europe say, so what the 70-80 million kwa Benfica for the budget tomorrow beton. Where a Mendes player, he wants to move the boy. So in convincing Atletico to agree to the Barca operation, he has offered Gonzalo Ramos to Atletico.
And all the Felix call
Barcelona. Now, Sika Barca ebetia for Felix no, I estimated say 70 million euro. Atletico were making a proposal per reports in Portugal. Record ne Ojogo. Eddie Abase, Benfica for one Saka a proposal for Ramos. 65 million euros plus 5. Okabo mo saying
70.
Where is that money coming from?
Barcelona and
so it looks like Mendes wants to move the chips or the piece we could see
not the way
to ensure so be balance equation. But he now so budget commission.
It was when I work of Joao Felix.
It will happen. It looks likely. As it stands now, yeah, hanging between 60-70%. Behind the scenes, they are working. So Gonzalo Ramos air corner. Then he will join Atletico Madrid as a stand. Now Komu rumors say PSG. But from the quarters of PSG, Enrique is sanctioning a move for him.
I want to United for this guy.
Oh, how am I saying?
This one the car. Every last time, for no who could produce a home. I'm from music.
His own financial director was paying like I said.
Oh, they say, Confona can own this all my car.
Oh, my car. So that is the operation as it stands. Now, Barcelona in preparing for Joao Felix Operation. Aside move now, Jorge Mendes say, they also want to move players from their wage list to ensure that they can register him. Juventus echo US, Barca echo US. There are likely to be talks between Juve and Barca concerning Frank Yannick Kessié.
Oh, okay.
Kessié ain't be more. Barca are making a midfield addition. Then, can they do without Kessié? Yes. They want to move him from a wage list because or one of the high earners or join him for free. And the salary no was low. Sure. So if Barca able to move him the next one on the list Rafinha. We no Javi Mpeneso. Javi wants the boy to stay. But Barca for no ASC Kasem. And our motion profiling now. A dear Felix ne one winning Nibisa. Into moon to me market Barca around this guy. But they can look at Felix and market him around. And the Felix operation, it is purely a one Laporte operation. So Barca will be willing to sell. Into ma two gum the amount central for no. So among starting speculating, said there are offers around Rafinha. Back free a year the same a year as in a diary for now. They have reported. Say and they Man City are looking at Rafinha. No concrete approach from Man City for a year Rafinha. Or more Tom Mares and obey the medicals will confirm or Saudi Arabia. They want a wing of a ball on the right. Rafinha fits that profile, but no approach has come from City to Barca. So more pesa player.
Mate.
So that is the situation
as
on
I
the ground. Lukaku the end why Ampa. He established contact with Inter. Steven Zan and my Inter for one and said nobody should deal with this guy because or you're two-faced. And Kevin Danso the end so you're true.
Mate.